Hi everyone, I'm Cade. Welcome to Cade AI Grove, where I share powerful AI tools to help you create content faster and more professionally. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DupDub to create viral content for YouTube and TikTok. DupDub is an AI platform that helps you generate engaging videos in just a few minutes. Its main features include AI avatars, video translation, video editing, video downloading, and audio recording. Visit the link in the video description below. Signing up with a Google account is the fastest and easiest way to get started. No credit card needed. In the AI avatar section, you can choose a pre-made model, create an avatar with AI, or upload your real photo. DupDub now supports both motion avatar and gesture avatar, allowing more natural movements for storytelling and interactive content. After choosing an avatar, you can customize. Background color. Choose from white, black, green, or any solid color to make your video background easy to blend. Image background. Replace the default backdrop with built-in templates or upload your own image for a more fitting environment. Swap face. Replace the avatar's default face with another photo you upload. The system will automatically detect and apply it. Image enhancer. Improves the sharpness and quality of your avatar's appearance in the final video. Choose an AI voice. Choose from over 700 voices with customizable gender, language, age, and tone. For example, choose a female voice named Domi, language, English, and click Select. Then enter the script for the avatar. For example, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your ideas into powerful AI videos using DupDub. You can also clone your real voice. Click Current Voice to choose My Voices to upload a voice sample to DupDub will generate your voice clone automatically.
Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your ideas into powerful AI videos using DupDub.
Additional features from DupDub include AI voiceover, convert text into natural-sounding speech, instant avatar cloning, generate avatars from real photos, instant voice cloning, quickly clone your voice, video translation, translate and dub videos in multiple languages, AI transcription, convert videos into text, AI writing, get writing support from AI, AI image, generate images from text or uploaded pictures. With these tools, you can create presentations, product reviews, storytelling videos, or educational content. About pricing, you can try it free for 3 days with 10 credits. Personal plan, 150 credits month, includes commercial license, ideal for beginners. Professional plan, 500 credits month, great for frequent content creators. Ultimate plan, 2,500 credits month, perfect for agencies or high-volume creators. For basic needs, the personal plan is enough. You can upgrade as your content scales. As you can see, it only takes a few steps to create stunning videos using DupDub. If you find this tool helpful, subscribe to Cade AI Grove to explore more powerful AI tools. You can start using DupDub today by clicking the link in the description below. Have questions about DupDub? Leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.